Have you ever noticed how expensive quality nuts have become at the grocery store and wondered if there was a better way? Imagine walking onto your patio, balcony, or into a sunny corner of your garden and harvesting fresh, organic nuts from trees you've grown yourself. Many people believe nut trees require acres of land, years of patience, and advanced gardening skills, but today's compact varieties are proving otherwise. Several dwarf nut trees remain small enough for containers, thrive in limited spaces, and produce surprisingly generous harvests without demanding constant attention. Once established, these productive trees can provide fresh nuts for many years while fitting comfortably into patios, balconies, and other small outdoor areas. In this video, we'll explore 7 compact nut trees that grow exceptionally well in containers and show how even the smallest spaces can become productive edible gardens. You may be surprised by just how well some of these trees adapt to life in a pot. 1. Dwarf almond tree, a beautiful ornamental that rewards you with fresh nuts. If you're searching for a tree that combines stunning beauty with practical harvests, the dwarf almond tree is one of the best choices for container gardening. It offers the rare opportunity to enjoy spectacular spring blossoms, while eventually producing delicious homegrown almonds from the very same tree. Unlike traditional almond trees that grow into large landscape specimens, dwarf varieties stay compact enough for patios, balconies, and smaller gardens. Most remain under 6 feet tall when grown in containers, making pruning, maintenance, and harvesting simple. Another major advantage is how relatively soon they begin producing. Compared with many other nut trees that require years of waiting, dwarf almonds can often reward gardeners with their first harvest after only a few growing seasons when given favorable conditions. Their ornamental value is equally impressive. Early each spring, bare branches become covered with delicate white or pale pink blossoms that closely resemble flowering cherry trees, creating a breathtaking display before the leaves even appear. Many gardeners would happily grow these trees for their flowers alone, but the edible harvest makes them even more rewarding. To produce healthy growth and abundant nuts, dwarf almond trees require plenty of sunshine, ideally receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct light every day. Bright sunlight encourages vigorous growth, plentiful blossoms, and better nut production. Good drainage is just as important because almond roots dislike sitting in wet soil. A light, airy potting mix enriched with coarse sand, perlite, or fine bark helps excess moisture drain away while keeping the root system healthy. Watering should remain regular but never excessive. Allowing the surface of the soil to dry slightly before watering again encourages strong roots, while constantly saturated soil may lead to disease and root damage. As the tree develops, occasional pruning helps maintain a balanced canopy, improves air circulation, and allows sunlight to reach more branches, all of which encourage better future harvests. Fertilizing during the growing season also supports flowering and nut development, although too much nitrogen should be avoided because it often produces leafy growth instead of nuts. Over time, this compact ornamental gradually transforms from a beautiful flowering tree into a dependable source of fresh almonds, all within a container just outside your door. 2. Hazelnut tree, a compact producer, perfect for small gardens. Hazelnuts may not be the first plant that comes to mind when thinking about container gardening, yet they are actually among the most practical nut-producing trees for limited spaces. Instead of developing a single tall trunk like many other nut trees, hazelnuts naturally grow as multi-stemmed shrubs, forming dense, rounded plants that fit comfortably into containers. This naturally compact habit allows them to make excellent use of available space while remaining easy to manage on patios, balconies, and in urban gardens. One of their greatest strengths is their dependable productivity. Once established, hazelnut trees often produce reliable harvests year after year without requiring complicated maintenance. They simply need suitable growing conditions and a little seasonal care to remain healthy and productive. Although hazelnuts grow best in full sun, they are more tolerant of partial shade than many other nut-bearing trees, making them a flexible choice for locations where sunlight is available for only part of the day. They prefer fertile, well-drained potting soil that remains evenly moist without becoming waterlogged. While they tolerate moisture better than almond trees, excess water should still be able to drain freely to protect the roots. Pollination is another important consideration. Many hazelnut varieties produce significantly larger crops when another compatible variety grows nearby, so gardeners with enough space often achieve better harvests by planting 2 different cultivars. Regular pruning also contributes to long-term success. Removing older stems and encouraging fresh new shoots improves air circulation, reduces overcrowding, and stimulates the younger growth that produces the greatest number of nuts. Beyond their harvests, hazelnuts also bring ornamental value to container gardens. Their dense green foliage and naturally graceful branching create a relaxed woodland atmosphere that blends beautifully with flowers, herbs, and other edible plants. As the years pass, they become increasingly productive, turning what begins as a modest potted shrub into a reliable source of fresh hazelnuts with surprisingly little effort. 3. Dwarf walnut tree, a long-term investment for container gardeners. For many gardeners, the thought of growing a walnut tree in a container seems almost impossible because traditional walnut trees are famous for their towering size, extensive root systems, and massive canopies. Fortunately, specially developed dwarf varieties make it possible to enjoy homegrown walnuts, even in much smaller spaces. These compact cultivars remain dramatically smaller than standard walnut trees, while still producing full-sized, flavorful, and highly nutritious nuts. Growing them in containers naturally limits their size, making them much easier to care for throughout their lives. Walnuts require more patience than many other fruit or nut trees. During their first several years, much of the tree's energy is directed toward building a strong root system and establishing a sturdy framework of branches. Above the soil, growth may appear slow, but below the surface, the tree is preparing for decades of productive harvests. That early investment eventually pays impressive dividends. Once mature, a healthy dwarf walnut tree can continue producing nuts year after year, becoming less of a gardening project and more of a dependable source of fresh food. Choosing the right container is especially important because walnuts naturally develop deep root systems. A large, deep pot provides the space needed for healthy root growth while supporting the tree as it matures. The growing medium should be fertile, rich in organic matter, and well-drained, so the roots receive both nutrients and adequate airflow. Plenty of sunlight is equally essential. Positioning the tree where it receives full sun for most of the day encourages stronger growth and improves future nut production. Watering should remain steady, keeping the soil evenly moist without allowing it to become soggy or excessively dry. As the tree grows larger, occasional pruning helps maintain a manageable size while improving air circulation and allowing more sunlight to penetrate the canopy. Removing crowded or unnecessary branches also directs the tree's energy toward healthier, more productive growth. Eventually, the years of care are rewarded with your first crop of fresh walnuts, nuts that offer a level of flavor and freshness rarely found in store-bought products that may have spent months in storage. Although dwarf walnut trees require patience, many gardeners find that the satisfaction of harvesting homegrown walnuts makes every year of waiting worthwhile. 4. Pistachio tree, a hardy nut tree that loves sun and dry conditions. When pistachio trees come to mind, most people picture endless orchards stretching across hot, arid landscapes. What often surprises gardeners is that certain compact pistachio varieties also perform remarkably well in containers, making them an excellent choice for patios, balconies, and other small growing spaces. One of the greatest strengths of a pistachio tree is its incredible durability. Native to regions with intense sunshine, dry air, and rocky soils, it has naturally adapted to conditions that would challenge many other plants. Instead of struggling in hot weather, pistachios often flourish, making them ideal for gardeners who prefer plants that require very little attention. The biggest mistake to avoid is excessive watering. Pistachio roots are designed for dry environments, so constantly damp soil can quickly lead to serious root problems. They perform best when watered thoroughly and then allowed to dry slightly before receiving more moisture. Well-drained soil is absolutely essential for long-term success. Bright sunlight is equally important. To encourage healthy growth and future nut production, these trees need several hours of direct sun each day. Without enough light, growth becomes slower and harvests may be greatly reduced. Pollination is another consideration. Traditional pistachio trees are either male or female, meaning two compatible trees are usually needed for successful nut production. Fortunately, many modern grafted dwarf selections simplify this process, making container cultivation much more practical for home gardeners. Pistachios are naturally slow-growing, gradually building strong branches and a sturdy framework that supports years of reliable production. Although patience is required, the result is an exceptionally long-lived and productive tree. Even before producing nuts, a compact pistachio adds ornamental value with its beautifully twisted branches, textured bark, and elegant canopy that almost resembles a living sculpture. Another major advantage is its ability to tolerate drought, poor soil, high temperatures, and challenging weather once established. Gardeners who prefer low-maintenance plants often find pistachios to be among the easiest nut trees to manage. When the first crop finally arrives, the wait feels completely worthwhile as freshly harvested pistachios offer a flavor, aroma, and texture that packaged nuts simply cannot match. Slow to mature but incredibly dependable, the pistachio tree is one of the most rewarding nut trees you can successfully grow in a container. 5. Pine nut tree, an evergreen that rewards patience. When people think about pine trees, they usually imagine towering evergreens covering mountains and forests. Few realize that some compact pine varieties adapt surprisingly well to containers and, with enough time, can even produce edible pine nuts. Unlike many fruiting plants that require constant care, dwarf pines grow slowly and steadily, strengthening their root systems and gradually developing their attractive natural form. That slow pace is actually one of their greatest advantages because it means less pruning, less maintenance, and fewer ongoing tasks for the gardener. Instead of constantly shaping the tree, you simply guide its growth while allowing nature to do the rest. Dwarf pines also offer year-round beauty that few edible plants can match. Their evergreen needles provide structure, texture, and vibrant color throughout every season, keeping patios and balconies attractive even during winter when many other plants are dormant. This lasting ornamental value makes them worthwhile additions long before they begin producing pine nuts. Another reason gardeners appreciate pine trees is their impressive resilience. Once established, they tolerate cooler temperatures, dry periods, poor soils, and changing weather conditions far better than many container-grown plants. Their watering needs are simple. They prefer moderate moisture, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings, while excellent drainage prevents excess moisture from damaging the roots. As the years pass, mature trees begin producing cones that eventually contain the prized pine nuts hidden inside. Harvesting requires patience because meaningful crops may not appear for several seasons, but once production begins, healthy trees often continue bearing cones for many years. Rather than declining with age, many pines become increasingly reliable producers over time. Growing a pine nut tree is less about immediate rewards and more about investing in a beautiful evergreen that provides lasting ornamental appeal, while gradually becoming a dependable source of delicious homegrown nuts. 6. Chestnut tree. Fast growth and delicious harvests in a compact form. Chestnut trees may be one of the biggest surprises for gardeners interested in growing nuts in containers. While traditional chestnuts are known as large forest trees, modern dwarf and hybrid varieties have made container cultivation much more practical than ever before. Compared with slower-growing nut trees such as walnuts or pines, chestnuts often show impressive growth each season, giving gardeners the satisfaction of seeing visible progress from year to year. Their ornamental qualities are equally attractive. Large, glossy green leaves create a lush canopy that adds a rich, almost tropical appearance to patios, balconies, and small gardens, making the tree a striking feature long before the first nuts develop. For healthy growth, chestnuts perform best in full sunlight and prefer fertile, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic reaction. Unlike drought-tolerant species, they appreciate consistently moist soil, although excess water should always drain away freely to protect the roots. Because chestnuts naturally want to become large trees, choosing a spacious container and performing regular pruning are important for maintaining a compact size. Careful shaping improves air circulation, keeps the canopy balanced, and encourages stronger nut production. Pollination also deserves attention. Like hazelnuts, chestnuts generally produce much larger harvests when another compatible variety is growing nearby, allowing cross-pollination to increase yields even in container gardens. As the tree matures, it produces flowers that eventually develop into distinctive spiny husks. When these husks split open, they reveal the glossy brown chestnuts hidden inside, a rewarding moment for every grower. Fresh chestnuts offer a noticeably sweeter, softer, and richer flavor than those typically found in stores. Whether roasted or added to a variety of dishes, homegrown chestnuts provide exceptional taste while coming directly from a tree growing only steps away from your home. Combining attractive foliage, relatively rapid growth, and dependable harvests, compact chestnut trees provide one of the most satisfying edible container gardening experiences available. 7. Compact macadamia tree, a premium nut tree for warm climates. Macadamia trees are often associated with tropical plantations and commercial orchards, yet compact varieties have made it possible for home gardeners to enjoy these prized nuts in containers as well. With the right conditions and a little patience, these attractive trees adapt surprisingly well to pot culture and eventually become dependable producers of one of the world's most valuable edible nuts. Macadamias develop gradually, spending their early years building a healthy root system and a strong framework of branches rather than rushing into production. Although this requires patience, mature trees reward the weight with exceptionally rich, buttery nuts that taste noticeably fresher than store-bought products. Because macadamias originate from warm climates, temperature is one of the most important factors for success. They thrive in mild weather and perform especially well on sunny patios, sheltered balconies, greenhouses, and protected outdoor growing spaces. In colder regions, extra protection during winter may be necessary to prevent slow growth or damage. Bright sunlight is equally essential. Ideally, these trees should receive at least 6 hours of direct sun every day. Gardeners growing them indoors can improve success by placing them near bright south-facing windows or supplementing natural light with grow lights. The growing medium should be fertile, loose, and well-drained. A high-quality potting mix enriched with compost and materials such as perlite provides an excellent balance of nutrients, moisture retention, and root aeration. Watering should remain consistent but carefully balanced. Macadamias prefer evenly moist soil but dislike both prolonged drought and constantly wet conditions, making proper moisture management one of the keys to healthy growth. As the tree develops, occasional pruning helps maintain a compact shape, improves air circulation, and encourages productive branching. Regular feeding during the growing season further supports vigorous growth and increases future harvest potential. Eventually, green outer husks begin forming on the branches. As they ripen, the husks naturally split open to reveal the valuable macadamia nuts inside. Freshly harvested macadamias offer a wonderfully creamy texture and rich, buttery flavor that is difficult to compare with packaged nuts that may have spent months in storage. A food often considered a luxury suddenly becomes something you can harvest just outside your own home. Beyond its ornamental beauty, a healthy, compact macadamia tree can continue producing delicious nuts for many years, providing both lasting enjoyment and a reliable long-term food source.